Want to learn Scala? Here are some fun facts to get you started. Scala is named after the Italian word for staircase because it's designed to help you scale up your coding skills. In 2006, Scala was released to the world, and it's been growing in popularity ever since. The creator of Scala, Martin Odersky, also co-designed the Java generic system. Talk about a resume booster. Scala is used by some big players, including Twitter, LinkedIn, and Netflix. Scala is 100% compatible with Java, so you can use all your favorite Java libraries and frameworks. The Scala community has a fun tradition called Scala Days, where devs gather to learn, share, and party. Who doesn't love a good party? Last but not least, Scala is an object-oriented language, which means it's all about encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but trust us, it's worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Start scaling up your coding skills with Scala today.